Hi friends, welcome back to channel Cytical. In this one I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. And during this process of testing, I'll try to use the 5 games side by side. Let's see friends which one can actually open these 5 games faster. And I'll try to use even the game space with the pro gamer mode, with the high performance mode and the GT mode. So this is going to be really an epic comparison between these both phones regarding the speed test and the RAM management test. So let's see friends how the test gonna be there, and this is my first time doing this kind of side-by-side comparison using this many enhancement options. Yes, so now let me need to go to the first Wi-Fi option, which Wi-Fi I have connected to the both phones, because that's also main important thing between these devices. So is a Wi-Fi connection where both phones should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, which is 2.4 GHz network. That's kind of perfectly all right. All the apps should be completely clear from the background, and I'm trying to use extended rank capabilities. That's also turned on. And the GT mode is turned on. Let me need to open the GT mode, and high performance mode also turned on in this moment. That's perfect. And now let me need to open this gain space to show you I did enable the pro gamer mode option as well. As you can see friends, pro gamer mode option is enabled successfully at this moment. Now I'm gonna open these 5 games. Let's see which game gonna open faster in which phone. That's what my main intention of comparing this both phones side by side, how much difference it can be there between these devices. So let's start with the first game, which is the Asphalt 9 game. So Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870 chipset, and this is going to be really interesting friends. So using GT mode, using high performance mode. As I said, this is my first time comparing this both phones side by side. Even I'm not sure which phone will be able to open in this kind of extreme boosting conditions. So first phone to open is the Realme GT Neo 2, and then the Realme X1 Max device. Let's go to the home screen. Next is Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test. Let's see this time what happens to the Realme GT Neo 2. Can it open fast or not? Let's wait for that kind of logo. Yes, first in the Realme GT Neo 2, and then in the Realme X1 Max. It did display, as you can see clearly, not bad. So the Realme GT Neo 2 was able to open slightly faster than the Realme X1 Max to 2 points for the Realme GT Neo 2. So 2 points till the phone has scored. Next is about the Call of Duty. Let's see what happens with this game, Call of Duty game. And in case if you want me to compare this kind of comparison with other smartphones, let me know in the comments. So definitely I'll try to do my best to post the video as soon as possible with other devices as well. First phone to show login is a Realme X1 Max. So yes, this phone did show the first. And the login first, Realme X1 Max. So 1 point for the Realme X1 Max, as you can see. And next thing, make sure to check out this video friends, which is about the epic PUBG new state battery draining test video. You can find all the interesting results regarding this, how the battery is draining as well. And next is about the FIFA. So let's see in this FIFA game what's going on. And both phones are kind of opening at same pace, same, as you can see, exactly same pace they are trying to open. And touch to open option also did come first in the Realme X1 Max and then in the Realme GT Neo 2. As you can see, so 2 points for the Realme X1 Max and 2 points for the Realme GT Neo 2. And final points for the PUBG new state, let's see, 1, 2 and 3. So which phone can open this PUBG new state? So first to show the logo is, both phones are asking for update. I think there's another update which has come. Sorry for this kind of delay. Right now the game has been successfully updated. Let's start the game at same time. Let me try to close it, and yes, let's start at same time. Let's see what happens now. So which phone can actually keep this in the all these games in the background memory, and you can see the loading speed. Just now I did update between these both phones, and I'm trying to load at same time as well, and you can see it's optimizing. And we should be able to see the login as well. So first phone to login is Realme X1 Max device. As you can see, so 3 points for the Realme X1 Max in this kind of speed test. Not bad. So very close. So this is kind of very close difference, nothing much huge difference I would say. So final friends, is the 5 games which I did open at exactly at this moment. As you can see, all the 5 games, if you delete those gain space and all the settings. So 5 games, everything. And now let me try to show the RAM availability between this device, how much it is. So 2.56 GB versus 3 GB RAM availability between this all the 2 smartphones. Now let me need to start open from the first game, which is Asphalt 9 game. So let's see whether this will be there in the background RAM management or not. 1, 2, 3. Boom, not there. So it's not in the background RAM management, as you can see friends clearly. So I can definitely understand this is a kind of really heavy, intense kind of testing. That's the reason I thought of mentioning for you. So this is very intense. Only few phones will be able to keep and survive till kind of 5 games. Not all the phones can do it. And now let me to go back to the home screen and let's start with the next game, which is a Battlegrounds mobile game. Battlegrounds mobile game, both phones did keep in the background RAM management not bad, no issues. Call of Duty also both phones, that's kind of good. Free Fire also no issues with the both phones, yes. And finally with the PUBG new state, yes, no problem. As you can see friends, clearly the RAM management between both phones is exactly similar, nothing much huge difference at this moment. So both phones were able to store exactly like 5 games completely in the background. And opening speeds, the Realme X Max is slightly faster. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. See in the next video and let's get more updates. And this is a test using with the high performance mode, using GT mode, using Pro Gamer mode as well. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Bye.